So this was what was there. So the second leg broke, so I have to change it. So I went to this shoemaker to actually help me. So I paid him for this. And when I went to collect my shoe, this is what he gave me. He said that he didn't see this one, that you have to walk another one there and all that. He was just telling me stories. But what could I do? The deed has already been done. I've kept it for like a year now. I've not been using it. Then one day, your creative mind will just wake up one day and be like, let me do something creative. So I feel like I could change something about this shoe because I've not even me where is Lara now. Like I've not worn it more than maybe 6 times or 5 times to budget. So I feel like let me do something about it. I'm a fashion designer. I have the creative mind. I have this creative brain that God already gave to me. So let me do something about it. So I decided to do something about it so that my money will not be wasted because this shoe was expensive that year. So I just hope it comes out well. Just keep watching and see what I do about this shoe. How I turned it into something wearable for me and something that is only me that's created it. You cannot see it anywhere. All right guys, let's do this. So these are the tools you'll be needing: your gum, candlestick, or what do they call it, your gun, and of course this cup chain. I got this I think for 5,000 naira, so I got the silver one. So let's go guys. The first thing I'll be doing is applying my gum to the base of the sole of the shoe. I don't know the name, so I hope you understand. And after applying my gum, I'll just attach my cup chain to it. Just follow. It's very simple. It's a very simple thing. So I just feel like sharing it with you. You might actually have a shoe like that and you want to revamp, so I'm just sharing this with you guys. I hope you love it and you love to recreate what I did. Okay, so you apply your cup chain. So you do that all the way down to the isale patapata. Oh my god, to the last how do I put it now, to the bottom. Pardon my English. So you do it all the way to the bottom and just follow what I'm doing. I'm enjoying it though. End results. See how it is shiny. Oh my god, shining in the dark, shining in the dark. Hey, so that's it guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. I love you. Bye.